Do you suffer from bruxism? That's a fancy word dentists use to describe the problem of grinding your teeth. Maybe you didn't know it, but many people share your habit. It can cause future damage, but it is treatable. Bruxism can result not only in premature tooth wear, but also contribute to tooth decay and other issues such as tooth loss. Although causes may vary, stress is a common culprit. Problems may not become apparent until years after the disorder begins. In addition to chipping and uneven wear, patients may experience tooth loosening, headaches, cheek irritation, tooth sensitivity, and pain in the facial muscles. If you feel you may be suffering from this common malady, schedule a consultation at Antoine Dental Center. We may prescribe a treatment of stress reduction, oral appliances, or medication. Call 713-787-6453 or visit AntoineDental.com to learn more.